Did you know that our kidneys perform a crucial role in filtering waste and excess fluids from the blood to produce urine? This process, vital for maintaining electrolyte balance and blood pressure, is disrupted in chronic kidney disease, CKD, highlighting the kidney's essential function and overall health. That's why taking care of our kidneys is so important for our overall health. In this video, we will discuss natural ways to help our kidneys work better. The kidneys function as our body's natural filtration system, eliminating waste, maintaining fluid balance, and regulating blood pressure, crucial for overall bodily stability. Impaired kidney function can significantly impact health negatively, underscoring the importance of regular kidney care and maintenance. Efficient kidney cleansing reduces the risk of kidney stones, prevents urinary tract infections, and even enhances energy levels, promoting overall well-being. In addition to incorporating these kidney-friendly foods into our daily diet, adopting a kidney-friendly lifestyle is vital. This includes reducing salt intake and avoiding habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, which can strain the kidneys. 1. Lemon. Lemons are a powerhouse of vitamin C and citric acid, making them a great choice for kidney health. The citric acid in lemons helps prevent kidney stones by increasing urine citrate levels. Additionally, lemons are known for their detoxifying properties, which can help cleanse your kidneys and promote overall kidney health. Despite being acidic outside the body, lemons have an alkalizing effect when metabolized. This can help maintain a balanced pH level in the body, which is important for kidney function and overall health. Lemon water has a mild diuretic effect, promoting urine production. This can help flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, supporting kidney health. 2. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only delicious but also incredibly hydrating, which is essential for kidney health. It is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps increase urine production and flush out toxins from the kidneys. Watermelon is also rich in antioxidants like lycopene, which can protect the kidneys from damage. 3. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, but they also offer benefits for kidney health. Cranberries contain compounds that can help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. They also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect the kidneys. Some studies suggest that cranberries may help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones. The compounds in cranberries can help inhibit the formation and growth of calcium oxalate stones, a common type of kidney stone. By preventing UTIs and reducing inflammation in the urinary tract, cranberries support overall urinary tract health. A healthy urinary tract is essential for proper kidney function and waste elimination. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory and protective effects on the kidneys. These powerful antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys, promoting overall kidney health. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Blueberries contain compounds that may help regulate blood pressure, contributing to kidney health by maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Some studies suggest that blueberries may help lower uric acid levels in the body. High uric acid levels can contribute to conditions like gout and kidney stones. By reducing uric acid, blueberries may help prevent kidney stone formation and related complications. 5. Apples. An apple a day may keep the doctor away, and that includes kidney health. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of kidney damage. The fiber in apples can also help lower cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for kidney health. 6. Papaya. Papaya is rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting the kidneys from damage. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to kidney disease. Papaya contains enzymes like papain and chymopapane, which have anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, papaya may help preserve kidney function. Papaya has a high water content, which can contribute to hydration. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health as it helps flush out toxins and maintain optimal kidney function. The enzymes in papaya, particularly papain, aid in digestion. A healthy digestive system can indirectly benefit kidney health by reducing the burden of toxins and waste products that the kidneys need to filter. Papaya contains compounds like citrate, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of minerals in the urine. 7. Oranges. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the body and protecting the kidneys from damage. Oranges contain citrate, a compound that can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Citrate binds to calcium in the urine, inhibiting the crystallization of minerals that can lead to kidney stone formation. Oranges are a hydrating fruit due to their high water content. Proper hydration is essential for kidney health as it supports optimal kidney function by facilitating the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Oxalates are compounds found in some foods that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Oranges are low in oxalates, making them a kidney-friendly choice for individuals prone to kidney stone formation. Oranges provide potassium, an essential mineral for overall health. While excessive potassium intake can be a concern for individuals with advanced CKD, moderate potassium from foods like oranges can help maintain electrolyte balance and support kidney function. 8. Cherries. Cherries contain compounds like anthocyanins, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to kidney damage, and cherries may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, supporting overall kidney health. Cherries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C and polyphenols. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, protecting the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals. Oxidative stress can contribute to kidney disease progression. Cherries' antioxidant properties may help reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys, potentially slowing down the development of CKD. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Cherries contain compounds that may help regulate blood pressure, contributing to kidney health by maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Cherries have been studied for their potential to lower uric acid levels in the body. High uric acid levels can contribute to conditions like gout and kidney stones. By reducing uric acid, cherries may help prevent kidney stone formation and related complications. 9. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin C, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys and protecting them from damage. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to kidney disease. The anti-inflammatory compounds in strawberries, such as quercetin and ellagic acid, may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, supporting overall kidney health. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Strawberries contain potassium and other nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, contributing to kidney health by maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Strawberries have a high water content, contributing to hydration. Proper hydration is essential for kidney function as it supports the elimination of waste and toxins from the body. Strawberries may help lower uric acid levels in the body. High uric acid levels can contribute to conditions like gout and kidney stones. By reducing uric acid, strawberries may help prevent kidney stone formation and related complications. 10. Grapes. Grapes are rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids, resveratrol, and vitamin C. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys and protecting them from damage. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to kidney disease. The anti-inflammatory compounds in grapes, such as resveratrol and quercetin, may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, supporting overall kidney health. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Grapes contain potassium and other nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, contributing to kidney health by maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Grapes have natural diuretic properties, promoting urine production and helping to flush out toxins from the kidneys. This diuretic effect can support kidney function and prevent the buildup of harmful substances. Grapes may help lower uric acid levels in the body. High uric acid levels can contribute to conditions like gout and kidney stones. By reducing uric acid, grapes may help prevent kidney stone formation and related complications. 11. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain may help reduce inflammation in the kidneys, supporting overall kidney health. Pineapple is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. Pineapple has a high water content, contributing to hydration and supporting kidney function by facilitating the elimination of waste and toxins. The enzymes in pineapple, including bromelain, aid in digestion. A healthy digestive system can indirectly benefit kidney health by reducing the burden of toxins and waste products that the kidneys need to filter. Incorporating these kidney-cleansing fruits into your diet can be a delicious and natural way to support your kidney health and prevent chronic kidney disease. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing kidney issues. Did you find this video helpful? Please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for additional informative content. We appreciate your support very much.